What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over Gala Games. It's breaking out as we've been expecting here on the channel. Love to see it. So currently sitting at 0.028, up 4% on the day. Seeing a market cap of 187 million. 24-hour volume is up to 138 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, grab up to $30,000 in bonuses. Once you make your first deposit, you can email me or sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So we were talking about yesterday a double bottom, as well as seeing a bullish divergence, and we started to break out as we've been anticipating here on the channel. We were watching this small ascending triangle. So we have broken out, but we have to be very cautious here, because it could just be another fake out like we saw right here, with Bitcoin having a bearish divergence on the 4-hour, as well as Ethereum having a divergence with a triple top and a double top for Bitcoin. You could see some pullback, but some of the coins are moving against Bitcoin, like ApeCoin and some of the metaverse. Axie Infinity just had a massive breakout. So Gala may do the same here. So if it were to see that continuation, what we're looking at here is to push up into this yellow box in a wave 2 and a wave C. I don't want to get too into it because we've been covering on the channel for quite some time. But what we're looking at here is to pull back in a wave C and an ABC correction, and then see continuation to the downside in a wave 3. Wave 4, wave 5. Sorry about this. I should have done this right before. Just didn't notice it. Wave 4 pullback, wave 5. And we're looking to come down in that final wave 5 of the ending diagonal, where we came down in a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4. Looking to put in that final wave 5, which is there in blue. I should change this actually. Okay, perfect. So that's what we're looking at for the price of Gala, is that we're pushing up in a wave 2 pullback, in a wave C, wave A, wave B, looking to push up in a wave C, which is a 5-wave move, before seeing continuation to the downside. But price can reverse at basically any time here, so just be very, very cautious in my opinion. As you can see on the daily, we talked about that bullish divergence and seeing a push to retest that level of resistance, or this white box here. Still think that's probable. It would have to move against Bitcoin if Bitcoin does decide to pull back here and dump. But of course, if Bitcoin were to invalidate this bearish divergence and push to the upside, that's when you would see Gala really start to break out and retest that downsloping resistance, in my opinion. That's what we've been looking at for on the channel, and we are just starting to see that push, but we may just be coming up to fill this wick here before breaking down. So just be very, very cautious if you took that long trade for the price of Gala Games. So best case scenario, in my opinion, we push up, we get rejected, we see continuation down, or the more bearish scenario, we fill that wick and then we just roll over and see that continuation to the downside. But I still think we're going to come down to that 0.01 cent range, and as I mentioned, I'll be loading the bags. I don't want to keep repeating myself because I say it in every video. So that's basically it for Gala Games. Our prediction is playing out so far. We'll see what happens over the next couple days. Make sure to sign up to Bybit, grab those bonuses, and you can have free access to my Discord after you make your first deposit. Email me or sign up email. All links and email in the comments and in the description. Free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at the 10 USD membership, we recently locked in gains on a sandbox long trade, which I gave a signal for in the Discord. It's only $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. All links in the comments and in the description. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.